So do I.
So do I, sweetheart.
So do I. Sorry, Sue.
So do I,
So do we.
Oh, she's just upset because the nigger uses the guest bath, and so do we.
Father signed me in. He knew my age. And so do they.
Sorry, so does my audience.
But so does my stereo.
When Spartacus ends, so does my time in the pits.
So does my old man.
I will attend if I want, and I do want, and so does my wife.
So does she in so many words.
I know he has issues, but so does she, and he's not telling me shit about her.
So does he.
Yeah, well, so's my brother, but he still needs headlights.
And so is my cave of gold.
Yeah, so's my grandmother.
So is my father.
You're a damn liar. And so is she.
And so is she, I know.
I'm gonna stay, and so is she. He's late, and so is she, coincidentally.
And so is he.
I'm over 21, and so is he.
His book is ridiculous, and so is he.
Now I'm back. And so is he.
I'm trained to, and so is he.
Because this is Rome, you're a gladiator, and so am I.
But she is worried, and so am I.
That's foolish.
The president is grateful, and so am I.
Shit, yeah, she's gone, and so am I. So get your behinds on out and go back to bed.
And so am I, which is what makes this very difficult.
So am I!
I mean, you're very nice and pretty, but in prison, so am I.
So are they. Time travel is really hard, and I'm really here in the past, and so are they.
Yes, I am, and so are they.
I'm staying, and so are they.
Then suddenly you're old enough, and so are they, and they're after you.
Then, so are they.
So are they?
So are you.
But so are you, Maze.
I mean, he is, but so are you.
What? So are you, Remy.
And as long as I'm here, so are you.
And so are you, honey.
He's obviously just rationalizing, and so are you.
Because I'm a bloody professional, and so are you, right?
I am gonna meet this baby, and so are you.
Well, it's garbage, and so are you.
And so is my second stepfather.
I was born here, and so was my whole family.
And when I woke up, the dames were gone, and so was my $200.
And so was my brother Frederick.
And so was my father.
So was he.
And so was he.
I hid in the closet, and when I came out, it was gone, and so was he.
So was she.
And so was the life of leisure for the Elohim.
And so was everything else we had to do since.
Grace was the same, and so was the town.
Packer was here, and so was your mom.
And so was Billy.
So was I when you hired me.
So was I. You want to go together?
So was I, but she's very deliberate.
So was I. He is a liar.
So was I.
God led you to me.
So were your grandparents.
So were your comrades who perished with him.
And so were your feelings for her.
And so were we.
So were we.
Yeah, he is, but so were we almost.
But so were we at one point in time.
But so were you, just a few minutes ago.
But so were the Bay City Rollers.
No, I mean, he was from ancient Greece, but so were Aristotle and Socrates.
Totally, but so are you.
I mean, Frank Marino was there to meet him, but so were the cops.
And so were you, number 17.
She was scared, and so were you.
And so were you.
And so were you, the loving sister.
So have we all. So have we all.
So have we.
Well, I know you got problems, and so have we, but how long are we going to sit here?
You see, he had very definite ideas about running the school, about the raising and education of children, and so have they.
They?
The formula's gone, and so have they.
So have I.
But so have I, haven't I?
I know that Dan has made his mistakes, but so have I.
Again, no offense, but so have I.
She's paid her dues, and so have I.
Is that right?
And so have I.
Maeve has moved on, and so have I. That's it, okay?
So have I.
I made up mine first.
So have I. Sort of.
So have I. Why don't you show me around the island?
So have my father and I for most of my life.
I've seen her. And so has my daughter.
So is my mother.
So is my officer, Mr. Arrow.
So has my butt.
As I have evolved, so has my understanding of the three laws.
And so is she.
And so has she.
Well, so is she.
If I can track you, so can they.
So can they all.
If I can find you, so can he.
So can he.
Well, I can keep a secret. And apparently so can he.
Yes, I can, and so can he!
So can she.
But if Einstein can ride a bike, so can she.
And so can you.
And so can you.
And so can you.
Your mother and I learned to live with this thing, and so can you.
And so can you.
But so can you.
And so can I.
And so can I.
And fine, you're an adult, so you can do what you like, but so can I, and...
So can I?
When is it again?
So could your daddy, and he died still trying to make it.
I was just thinking, so could my dad.
Fortunately, so could my freshman geophysics students.
So could she.
If I could figure it out, so could he.
So could he.
And so could you, by the way, Mr. Carson.
And so could you, crazy bitch.
And so could you, if you don't mind my saying so.
Yeah, and so could you. Yeah!
And so could I. Champagne, Your Excellency?
So could I.
So could I, and I'm a poor businessman. And so should we.
And so should we.
And so should we.
Yeah, so should they.
You should thank me, and so should he.
You should resign, and so should he.
Those people moved on, and so should you.
I've got to, and so should you.
It was easy because they have a long-term relationship they want to keep, and so should you.
I'm taking it seriously, and so should you.
So should you.
So should you.
We are staying out of it, and so should you.
You should get back to your homework, and so should I.
And so should I.
I'm sorry.
So would you.
So would I. I bet he's an animal.
And so would I.
And so would I.
No, you would, and so would I.
So would I.
So would I.
Great.
So would I.
Yes, so would I.
So would I.
And so should we.
And so should we.
So would they.
And then you would go off and meet some girl at the gym because you obviously have a lot of time to spend at the gym, and so would she, and...
So would he.
So would he, I'm sure.
Oh gosh, so would he.
But so would you, Mrs. Kettleman.
She better get in line, and so would you.
If I had a flying baby, I'd zip this, and so would you.
I try to stay alive, and so would you.
And so would you.
My friend would die of a terrible headache. And so would you.
So would we, mate.
The parole board would rather have you in a home setting, so would we.
So would we.
So would we.
So must he. So must I. I'm going with you, sir.
He will pay, and so must I.
Times change, and so must I.
The sun has gone to bed, and so must I. Goodbye. To bed, and so must I.
So must you.
I'm going to do my damnedest, so must you.
See, Eve was made from Adam's rib to obey his wishes, his demands, and so must you.
Neither do I, precisely.
At this point, neither do I.
Neither do I.
Neither do I. Much as I don't want to, I'll have to hurt her if you don't talk.
Neither do they.
Mother Earth doesn't get a night off, neither do you.
And neither do you, you selfish bitch.
Neither do you.
Neither do you.
Then again, neither do you.
Neither do we.
Neither do we.
Neither do we.
Tell you the truth, neither do we.
No, neither does she.
Neither does she, or her, any of us.
I don't need that, neither does she.
Neither does she with that face.
Neither does she, his wife.
Look, I don't have time for this, and neither does he, all right?
And if he's being honest, neither does he.
Neither does he.
Well, neither does he.
Neither am I. He's got the same blood on his hands that Loki does.
Neither am I. What the hell is this?
Listen,
And she's not coming in today, neither am I, because we're both taking the day off to celebrate bringing in the Madge and Mabel account.
Neither am I.
Neither am I.
Why not?
Neither are you, by the way.
Actually, I'm not drunk at all, Noreen, and neither are you, because there's no alcohol in these drinks.
I'm not going to the hearing, Donna, and neither are you.
and apparently, neither are you.
And neither are you.
Neither are we.
Neither are we.
Marie's not telling him that we're paying his therapy bills, and neither are we.
Neither are we.
Neither are we.
Neither is she.
Because I'm not going to go through that again, and neither is she.
Well, you're not calling the cops, Mike, and neither is she.
Neither is he!
I mean, I'm not getting any younger, neither is he.
I'm not a nice person, Laura, neither is he.
Neither is he.
Neither is my brain.
Neither is my son.
But I'm not that special or great, and neither is my family, so I can relate to average women who couldn't vote until 1920.
Neither is my mother.
Harry did not make a mistake saving Dexter's life, and neither did you.
Neither did you. Don't make it personal.
Neither did I. There's a shop downstairs.
Neither did I.
Neither did I. I was a cynic, just like you.
Neither did I. I was just asking. And neither did I, because you weren't.
Neither did he. Neither did he.
I didn't know what I was doing, neither did he.
Neither did he.
Neither did he.
Well, neither did you.
Neither did you.
Apparently, neither did you.
Neither did she.
Well, it turns out neither did she.
Neither did she. Neither did he. Neither did he.
I didn't know what I was doing, neither did he.
Neither did we.
Neither did we, until we discovered the Francesca had been owned by the Vangor family.
Daddy didn't do this to her, and neither did we.
Because neither did we.
Yeah, neither did we.
They needed me to take them, but I wouldn't go in, so neither did they.
Neither did they.
Well, neither did she.
I'd asked my daughter to donate some old clothing, and I didn't realize, and obviously neither did she, that I'd left it in the pocket.
I wasn't happy deep down, and neither was I.
Neither was he.
Yeah, neither was he, and that's the problem.
Neither was he.
Neither was I.
But I never held a grudge against him.
Neither was I.
Neither was I. I was sitting at home nursing you.
Well, neither was I at first.
Neither was she, but she obviously found out and tried to beat us to the punch.
Neither was she.
Neither was she.
Neither were they.
But he wasn't capable, and neither were you.
Neither were you.
Neither were you.
And neither were you.
Neither were you, Your Majesty.
Neither were we.
Neither were we.
Neither were we.
Neither were we.
Neither have you, Ernest.
Neither have I, but I practice a lot.
Neither have I, for that matter.
Neither have I.
Neither have I.
Well, neither have they.
Neither have they.
Neither have they.
Neither have we.
Neither have we.
Neither have we.
And neither have we.
Neither have you, Ernest.
I have not lost 1 second of sleep over what was done. And neither have you.
Neither have you.
Hey, I haven't said anything knocked inside of me for years, and neither has she.
Neither is she.
Neither has he.
Love with words. I haven't changed since then.
I've never heard her hit bone before, but neither is he.
Well, if I can't have you, then neither can she.
What? So you cannot see him, neither can he, and yet I can.
Neither can he.
Father didn't want him to get away with it, so neither can I. Come on.
Neither can I.
Neither can I.
Believe it or not, neither can I.
Neither can I.
I couldn't swear he was dead, neither could you.
Neither could you if you was as poor as me.
Harvey, I can't stand by and watch other people I care about get attacked, and neither could you.
Neither could I.
Tara, please.
She said she wasn't making anyone, and neither could I. Please, you gotta help me.
Neither could I. Now I can visualize it really well.
Neither could I.
Neither could he.
Mind you, neither could they.
My father could not bear it a second time. And neither could we.
Neither could we.
And neither could you.
Neither could you.
No, I don't, and neither should you.
Neither should you.
I'm not gonna let this spoil what's gonna be a fantastic day, and neither should you.
I'm not worried about it, and neither should you.
Well, I really don't want to go back there. Neither should you.
And neither should I. It wouldn't be fair to either of us.
Yeah, neither should I.
Well, neither should I. Jerry's the one that left the milk in the refrigerator.
Neither should I. Neither should anyone.
If they're not going to be released, neither should I.
There's nothing we can do for them.
And neither should we. So neither should we.
The townspeople of the first annual Be Mine and Valentine Parade didn't have cars, so neither should we. Interesting.
You won't sweat it, and neither should we.
Neither should we.
And neither should you, and neither should they.
Neither would we.
Well, neither would we.
Neither would you.
But then, neither would you.
Neither would you.
Neither would you.
Neither would I, okay?
Mr. Aiken, my mother would never allow that, and neither would I.
Neither would I.
Neither would she.
I don't judge, and neither would he.
Neither would he.
I dare say neither would he.
Neither would they if we took one of theirs.
And neither must your mother.
And neither must you.
And neither must you.
I don't like it, nor do you.
Nor do I.
But why don't you calm down and tell us without blaming each other what the main issues are?
Nor do I. Nor do I, but my children do.
And nor do I. Now, if you don't mind, I would appreciate it if you could lower your wand.
Nor do we.
And nor do I, but waiting for him to walk up 62 flights.
Okay. And nor do they.
Do you know, without my glasses, nor do you.
Experience and know others I do not know, and nor does anybody else.
And nor does the mess waiter.
Nor are they your women.
Nor are they illegal.
And nor are you Ari and Lena.
Is no longer welcome on campus, and nor are you.
You are not giving up, and nor am I. There are two of us now.
Nor am I. Just studying.
Nor am I. G-Man.
I believe that she's not crazy, nor is she lying.
Nor is he our enemy, Mother.
Nor is he early.
Nor did I, and it's catastrophic, gentlemen. Catastrophic.
Nor did I. Our only response was to keep on going and fuck everything.
Nor did I.
In fact, no one will play it on the radio, so EMI won't release it.
Nor did he.
Nor did she run away.
Did not come back, and nor did she.
Amelia was not a twin, nor did she have any sisters.
I never expected it, nor did she, but that's often the way things turn out.
The Spaniards knew nothing about it, nor did we.
Nor did you.
Nor were you smart enough to find the money, though you came quite close to it.
He was not poor, nor was he rich. Nor was I.
Why? Nor was I. What's next?
Nor have I. I'm not interested in Egypt colony.
Nor have I, my friends.
Nor have I.
Nor can we!
I cannot renounce him, sire. Nor can you. I cannot renounce him, sire. Nor can you.
I cannot hear you, nor can I see you.
Almost way. I can't get into too many details, nor would you want me to.
Nor would she be mine if she chooses to say yes.
Nor would I.
Nor could you.